Cidery.dev here. Today I wanted to share 5 tips that I learned during my coding bootcamp. Tip number 1, Google. So Google is a fantastic resource for any developer or anything to do with coding. So what happened during the bootcamp is I couldn't remember every single detail, so I would always use Google. I would just Google search anything that I would find an issue with. Number 2 is refining your Google searches. So if you do a Google search and you can't find your answer or it doesn't fit well with the coding that you're doing, just try and refine your search until you find the answer. Refining Google searches is a skill that you'll need to learn in order to fix issues, but I assure you the answer will definitely be out there. Talking about code. Talking about coding is super important, whether or not it's your friends or family or your classmates. The thing with talking about code is that it begins to make you believe that you can learn and you are actually developing as a coder. Tip number 4, don't try to learn everything. When I started my bootcamp, I spent hours and hours and hours trying to learn every single facet of JavaScript. But then I realized that coding is such a big thing and you can't actually learn everything. So what I would recommend is to learn things that will help you create. So for example, if you are wanting to do an animation for your website, learn that facet and then move on. Tip number 5, don't be afraid to share your issues with other people. It really helps you learn and grow. So if you can share and troubleshoot issues with others, then everyone will grow together.